Ladies and gentlemen, the first segment is related to thousands of foreign students in America that are suddenly under federal scrutiny. And sadly, many of them are Indians. According to the United States Immigration and Custom Enforcement, ICE, nearly 10,000 foreign students have been identified in what officials are calling a major investigation into misuse of the OPT visa program. Now, this story matters very much because the OPT program has become one of the biggest pathways for Indian students to remain in America after completing their education. Students arrive on F1 visas. They study in American universities. Then they receive optional practical training, OPT, allowing them to work temporarily in the United States. In fact, STEM graduates can remain even longer through extensions here. And for lakhs of Indians, this particular program, it becomes the bridge towards H-1B visas, green cards, and permanent settlement in America. But tonight, American authorities are alleging that this whole system is being abused on larger scale. In fact, their acting ICE director, Todd, he made extremely serious accusations. He said the program has become a magnet for fraud. According to investigators, some students were allegedly working through suspicious employer here. In fact, officials also claim that certain OPT workers were being supervised remotely from India rather than receiving actual training inside America, which reportedly violates the program rule. And then the allegation, it became even more explosive. IC officials linked some investigations to espionage, biological threat, intellectual property theft, visa fraud, employment scams, and even schemes targeting elderly Americans. Now, if we see politically, this is a massive issue in America because immigration is already one of the most sensitive topics in the US politics. And when federal agencies publicly connect foreign student program with national security concern, public anger, it grows rapidly. Mr. Todd, he even claimed that the OPT system originally started as a limited training opportunity under former President George W. Bush, but eventually expanded into what he described as an uncontrolled guest worker pipeline. Tonight, genuine Indian students may also feel worried because once suspicion spreads, entire communities often face backlash. And this is the frightening reality that is now unfolding in America. Immigration enforcement is becoming more aggressive, more suspicious, and increasingly tied to national security narrative. We are tonight talking about an Indian prisoner sitting inside an American jail. Well, that person is desperately asking the Indian government to save him. His name is Nirav Patel. The 44-year-old man from Ahmedabad, India, is currently serving a 12-year prison sentence in the United States in connection with a parcel scam targeting the elderly Americans. Well, Nirav, he recently wrote an emotional letter to Indian Prime Minister's office, the Ministry of External Affairs, and the Gujarat government seeking humanitarian help. Now, the details of this case disturbing. Authorities say victims were manipulated into handing over cash, gold, and valuables through parcel-based fraud operation. Nirav allegedly was eventually caught while collecting one of the parcels in America. The US jury later convicted him of wire fraud and illegal entry in the US. But from prison, Nirav insisted that he is innocent. He claims a relative named Danny Patel, allegedly operating from Atlanta and Ahmedabad, he was the mastermind behind this fake call center network that was targeting the Americans.